Hi, I'm Ryan Easton with Medical City Children's Hospital Kids Teaching Kids program, and we're so excited to be here at University of Texas at Dallas Information and Graphic Design Classroom. And we have spent a day judging on the best winners, and we want to appreciate all of the students have focused their time and efforts and creativity into this project. It was a very hard decision, but now I would like to turn it over to the students who will announce the 3 winners.
All right. Congrats to Northwest ISD for winning 3rd place and $500 for your class.
Hey, big congratulations to Prosper ISD. You won 2nd place and $1,000 for this very colorful, lively, and delightful design.
The $1,500 goes to the Louisville ISD, and special congratulations to Kimberly and Janet. Way to go.